Right, so guys, I'm going to make Pinot. All I'm going to do is I'm going to add some chilies to this water boiling here. Then from there, I'm just going to cook this food. So watch it. So here's the chili. I'm not going to put a lot of the chilies, so you can see that. For you to see exactly what I'm doing. So here's my chili. I'm going to stir to let this water boil. And once it's boiled, I'm just going to make the curry, but in the meantime, I'm just going to cover it to let it boil. So I'm cooking the Volta 𝙁𝙤𝙧 Pinot. So watch it, let me do it. I'm going to pair this with a 𝙤𝙤𝙧. 𝙤𝙤𝙧 is like a baby tilapia from the lagoon in the Volta region. Because I'm using only one arm, I need to do it so fast to stop it burning. So you can see inside looking amazing already. Look at that. That look amazing, right? Yeah, that's the Volta region food. I'm just going to eat now with a chili sauce. Pinot 𝙁𝙤𝙧 looking so delicious. What do you think? Well, bon appetit. Thank you. That was easy. If there's something that you want to know, please do let me know. Bon appetit. So delicious. Like the video and share the video on Facebook and WhatsApp. Thank you. Bye bye.